Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to tell you about my day. In the morning, I wake up early. The sun is shining, and the birds are singing. I get out of bed and go to the kitchen. I have a simple breakfast, toast with butter and jam, and a cup of tea. Yum. After breakfast, I get ready for the day. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. Now I'm ready to start my day. I go to work or school. Today, let's say, I go to work. I take the bus because it's convenient. On the bus, I listen to music or read a book. At work, I have a lot to do. I check mails, attend meetings, and do my tasks. It can be busy, but I enjoy my job. For lunch, I bring a sandwich and some fruit from home. I also chat with my colleagues during the break. It's nice to take a little time to relax. In the afternoon, I continue working. I finish my tasks and make plans for tomorrow. Time flies when you're busy. After work, I head home. I might stop at the grocery store to pick up some things for dinner. At home, I cook a simple meal, maybe pasta with tomato sauce and vegetables. In the evening, I relax. I watch TV, read a book, or chat with friends online. It's a good time to unwind. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas. I like to read a bit before turning off the lights. And that's my day. A mix of work, relaxation, and simple pleasures. I hope you enjoyed hearing about it. I hope this helps you with your English speaking practice.